Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate source for cutting-edge tech insights. Today, we're excited to dive into the impressive new features of the OPPO Find N5, a foldable smartphone that is revolutionizing mobile productivity with its seamless integration into the Mac ecosystem and advanced smart office capabilities. And in a stunning promotional video unveiled by OPPO today, the Find N5 demonstrates how it can remotely control a Mac screen and execute a variety of operations with ease, making it an indispensable tool for professionals on the go. Pete Lau, OPPO's chief product officer, has emphasized that while discussions around foldable smartphones often focus on document processing and office work, many manufacturers have struggled to truly provide PC-level productivity on mobile devices, often complicating workflows rather than enhancing them. But with the OPPO Find N5, the approach is entirely different. Rather than trying to replace computers completely, OPPO is focused on enhancing efficiency through its innovative OPPO Office Assistant, a feature that introduces advanced split-screen capabilities, AI-driven optimizations, and deeper integration, allowing users to manage essential tasks remotely without the need to return to the office or lug around a laptop. One of the standout features in the promotional demonstration is the Find N5's ability to function as a remote Mac controller when the main screen is set at a 90 degrees hovering angle, at which point the display smartly splits into two distinct sections, the upper half mirroring the Mac screen perfectly, while the lower half transforms into a full-size virtual keyboard that makes remote operations remarkably convenient, enabling users to drag and drop files directly between the Mac and the Find N5 for effortless file synchronization and sharing, which in turn dramatically boosts productivity and streamlines workflow. This breakthrough in mobile office integration is set to redefine the way professionals interact with their devices, as the seamless control of a desktop interface from a foldable smartphone eliminates many of the traditional barriers between mobile and desktop computing, thereby providing a flexible solution that adapts to the fast-paced demands of today's work environment. Further, the OPPO Find N5 is designed with a host of other smart features that cater to modern productivity needs, combining robust hardware performance with intuitive software enhancements to create a device that is both powerful and user-friendly. And this integration of smart office functionalities means that whether you are reviewing documents, managing emails, or even editing presentations on the fly, the Find N5 delivers a smooth and efficient experience that rivals traditional laptops. The emphasis on remote control capabilities is especially significant for users who travel frequently or work in dynamic environments, as it allows them to maintain continuous access to their desktop resources without the physical limitations imposed by conventional computing setups. And with its refined design, the Find N5 not only delivers impressive performance, but also does so in a compact and stylish form factor that is ideal for professional settings. As OPPO prepares for the launch of the Find N5 on February 20th, anticipation is building around how this device will set new standards in the realm of foldable smartphones and mobile productivity. And early reviews indicate that the Smart Office features, combined with its advanced connectivity with the Mac ecosystem, could well make it a game changer in both consumer and enterprise markets. Moreover, the integration of AI-driven optimizations in the Office Assistant ensures that users receive personalized suggestions and automated adjustments that streamline everyday tasks, from scheduling to file management, ultimately saving time and reducing stress. While some may wonder if a foldable smartphone can truly replace the conventional PC, the OPPO Find N5 demonstrates that it is not about replacing computers entirely, but about complementing them and providing a new level of flexibility in how we work, thus opening up exciting new possibilities for productivity on the go. As we await the official release, the seamless Mac control features showcased in the promotional video stands as a testament to OPPO's commitment to merging the best of mobile and desktop computing. And if the rumors and early demonstrations are any indication, the OPPO Find N5 is poised to redefine what we expect from a foldable smartphone in the modern smart office era. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the innovative features of the OPPO Find N5. And if you enjoyed this review, Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech insights and updates. This is TechVerse signing off.